How to schedule dark mode to turn on or off automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display. In here, tap on dark mode settings and then tap on turn on as schedule. In here you have two choices. First is to turn on dark mode automatically between sunset and sunrise. Otherwise you can schedule with a custom time. So here I can tap on set schedule. At the top here you can tap on the start tab or an end tab. So with the start tab, here we are setting it to turn off at 7 p.m. So here you can change the time. Then tap on end tab, and here when it will end. So you can end at say 10 past 7 a.m. Then tap on done. And so that is the schedule for dark mode. This will automatically turn off at 10 past 7. After, you can tap on the back key or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.